Guess what day it is, my friends? It's Chris's favorite day. Chris, welcome back, my friend. Tell us what day it is, what we're talking about. Just lay it all on us, man.
Well, my favorite day is Christmas, so I don't think it's Christmas. But when it comes to
Is it
work,
because Christmas has your name in it?
yeah, actually, that's a good one. That's a really good one. But when it comes to work, this is one of my favorite days of the week because we get to show all the labor, all the stress,
Work.
emotions, everything work that we've done behind the
Yeah,
scenes in order to make these claims
all of it.
paid out fully and fairly. So we've got an
Yeah.
awesome one for you guys today. I love this one. And
Yeah.
so,
Tell us
yeah,
more. What kind of loss was it? What was the cause of loss? And give
yep.
us some details around what the situation was.
Yeah, absolutely. So this was actually a residential one. We specialize in large commercial claims, but we were willing to help out this contractor on this particular residential one. Um, this one has tile roofing system. Large hail that hit it though. I mean, we're talking over 2 inches. I think it was like 2.5.
Right. Okay, so
Uh,
wait a second. 2.5 inch hail hit this property, and the insurance company still didn't want to pay for it.
Correct. Guess what the insurance company did?
What?
They pulled out their we're going to send an engineer, and guess what that engineer report said?
Oh, no hail. This was pigeon pooping all over the
Yeah,
roof, and it broke all these tiles.
pigeon pooping and foot traffic and mechanical insulation
Right.
errors. And, Taylor, it's so funny with these engineer reports. I think they literally are all the same thing and they just change like the claim number and the name of the person and the
Dude,
address.
they do. All the
It's so,
engineers for the insurance companies go to the same school, get all the same templates, and they use
mhm.
that. So you're just like
Yeah,
engineer one, engineer two, they're all the same. That's not
yeah,
actually the case that we know.
absolutely.
But it would be funny because that's what we see, right? We see the same, well, it's this, it's footfall, it's mechanical, it's
Mhm.
foot traffic, all this crap. And like, with all due respect, Mr. or Mrs. Engineer, were you on the roof when it got damaged? No.
Exactly.
How the hell do you know that's what happened? Well, that's what it looks like. Could it also be the 2.5 inch hail that fell from the sky that are
Yeah,
solid rocks of ice in
yeah.
ball shape that are falling at 50, 80, 100 miles an hour that hit a tile roof and it could break that, especially since all the other neighbors in either direction got all their roofs replaced from that hailstorm? Could it potentially be that?
No, it
No, of
couldn't.
course not. Of
This is
course
just
not.
normal wear and tear and blah,
That
blah,
would
blah.
that would make too much sense because
Yeah.
the flashing that they paid for from the hail damage, the
Hmm.
window sills, the beating, all of that, maybe some stucco, all of that was hail, but it's impossible that the hail could actually damage the roof.
Exactly. And
Yeah.
one thing I'll add too, just so you guys all know, there are certain type of roofing systems on residential and commercial properties that are just harder to fight. And tiles are
True.
just harder to fight.
Yeah.
It is what it is. But before we show you guys the numbers here, we were able to do some pretty amazing things as far as
Right.
proving that the engineer was actually wrong.
Yeah.
Now, we can't share all of our
What?
secrets.
Yeah. I've told Chris not to share this because this is proprietary. It's what we call the Bellator Blueprint here at winyourclaim.com in regards to how to prove the damage on behalf of the insured and show the insurance company, hey, you're saying one thing which isn't true. We have proof of that. And we are saying this thing, which is true because we have proof of that too. So you
Mhm,
compare this, and you come to the conclusion that
mhm.
you are going to win your claim. Chris, show us some of the numbers here, my friend.
All
Where did
right.
we start out at? What is the percentage increase, and where did we end? Or any all of those in the combination?
You know what? I'm going to show everyone as soon as you disable the sharing, and then
Yeah,
I can
man,
go
go
ahead and
ahead,
do
bro. You are
that. All right.
enabled, my friend.
So again, we were helping out one of our preferred contractors we work with. We always like to help out people when we need to, when we can. So in this
Yeah.
particular case, we reviewed it and said, yeah, let's go ahead and help them out. So the initial insurance estimate started out at $3,881 and five
So
cents.
less than $4,000.
Yeah, they're covering some, siding, some little things. So, but hey, they've acknowledged that hail hit that property on the date of loss.
Yeah.
That's all we need. Then we're going to
Yeah.
go ahead and figure out a game plan. So, the insurance company ended up finally settling at $130,000.
Whoa, that is a huge increase.
You want to
I'm
know
gonna
what the
guess.
percentage is?
I'm gonna say it's a 2,000% increase.
What it is?
Oh, oh, boom,
Yeah.
baby. And so when people ask us, hey, like, what do your results look like? What does it seem like this you could do for us? We can't guarantee anything because part of the people that are making the decision is the insurance company. But what I can tell you is we're gonna fight tooth and nail, use our Bellator blueprint to win your claim. And
Mhm.
a 3,200% increase. Would you be happy with that? Would you be upset about getting $130,000 compared to $4,000 that the insurance company offered? I don't know. I don't know many people that would be upset about that. Chris, do you?
I don't. I mean, I would like this on my investments, but hey, we're not there yet. But either way, it's a great number.
Oh, that's so awesome, man. So I just want you guys to know that these are results that we get in our office on like a monthly basis. Every single month, we have a victory that we're just like, holy crap, this is amazing. We knew we could do it. And the biggest thing is we just don't give up. The insurance company wants you to give up because they know if you know how to win your claim, you can do that. So contact us today. Thank you so much. Please share this with the world. This is a huge victory for us, for the insured, and everybody else that was involved in this because now the insured can be made to pre-loss condition, which is
Mhm.
all we care about. Chris, any final thoughts, my friend, before I get us out of here?
No, the only thing I'm going to say is that there's going to be something rolling out here. You see it in the background when you're claimed. There's going to be something rolling out here very, very
Yeah,
soon. So
it's going to be
um,
awesome.
it's going to be amazing, and you'll be able to find out what some of the things that we do, like we did on this particular claim, to get it paid fully and
That's
fairly.
right.
So.
That's right. We're doing some beta testing right now. I don't want to share too much. That's all I'm going to leave you with. See you next time. Thank you so much. Please share this so everybody can see.